Assalamu alaikum. I want to start with a little bit on the economy. So, जो announcements आई earlier this week, whether it's the Fitch upgrade or the State Bank nudging the policy rate a bit down, are, as far as I'm concerned, are direct manifestations of the macroeconomic stability that we've been following under the leadership of Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, and the economic team will continue to move forward with this macroeconomic stability agenda, because इसमें जो permanence लाने का बहुत एक important चीज़ है, because stabilization will lead to growth, inshallah. So we have to bring permanence, and therefore the SLA which has been signed with the fund, and inshallah it goes to the board for the final approval, ताकि under the fund umbrella, it's not only about getting the fund, but making sure that this time around we do the structural reforms. अगर हमने ये इसको आखिरी program बनाना है fund का, तो whether it's on the taxation side, whether it's on the energy side, whether it's on the SOE reforms and the privatization side, we have to move forward, because we do not have the space and we do not have the room anymore to dither on this agenda. आपने अभी चेयरमैन साहब अभी आपने बात की और आप इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर को रेगुलेट भी कर रहे हैं. तो अंडर द कैबिनेट कमेटी ऑन SOEs, as you know, we have said all insurance companies under the public sector will move in the direction of being handed over to the private sector. उसकी टाइमिंग देखी जा सकती है. But any activity which happens in the private sector, there is no reason whatsoever that in the government we hold on to those entities or onto those functions. If they are, even if they are strategic functions, if this can be done by the private sector को करने की ज़रूरत है. As far as the government is concerned, we are there to provide policy, the policy framework, the policy continuity, and the private sector has to lead this country. ये आपका है, और जब आपकी regulated activity आप जाएगी, आपने insurance reforms की बात की है और आपने उससे बड़ा ज़बरदस्त काम किया है कि 5 साल का आप एक insurance package लेकर आए हैं. लेकिन अब inshallah, as you go forward, the entire insurance sector should be managed and held by the private sector. The last thing I just want to mention is कि हमने अगर ये fund का आखिरी program करना है, there has to be road to market, and that road to market has to be through export-led growth. It has to be through foreign direct investment, which comes in for export-led industries, because बाहर से borrow करके हम currency mismatches create नहीं कर सकते. और वो जो इस वक्त हमारी कुछ दिक्कत आ रही है, वो उन currency mismatches की वजह से आ रही है. तो अगर हमने बाहर से borrow करना है, those have to be for the projects which in turn actually produce foreign currency for the country. And the last thing is access back into the international capital markets, and that's where SCCP plays such an important role in terms of bringing capital markets back into the fold. जो इस वक्त बैंकों की बात हो रही है, there's so much dependence on the bank, or as a former banker, I can say that not only just lending to the government, और उसमें हमें अपना ज़्यादा fiscal discipline लाना है ताकि हम borrowing जो है वो कम करें, लेकिन lending to the private sector as well. So equity and the debt markets have to come to the fore so that we can diversify the funding base as we go forward. तो ये अंडर आकिब साहब आपकी लीडरशिप में ये जो कैपिटल मार्केट्स का एजेंडा है, ये हमने इंशाल्लाह आगे लेकर जाना है. Now coming to the subject at hand, which is the building जो अब आज जिसका ground breaking की आज बात है. It's a bit unfortunate because of the inclement weather that we cannot actually be at the site where the inshallah the construction is going to begin soon. तो ये 24 साल पहले आइडिया कंसीव किया गया, and therefore it's very befitting that the Deputy Prime Minister was asked to be here as a chief guest. कि अगर उनके ये हाथों से ये बात शुरू हुई, और तो I think it's important कि now we sort of take it forward, और अब इसको 24 साल नहीं लगाने सर कंस्ट्रक्शन में. अब इसको कोशिश करें कि अगले अगर यहाँ प्राइम मिनिस्टर होते तो वो कहते हैं कि 1 साल में इसको कंप्लीट कर दें, लेकिन हम आपको थोड़े से साल और दे देंगे, जो कि आपके प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर्स ने आपको बात की. Of course, as a successor to Corporate Law Authority, and that's where Shamim Ahmed Khan साहब इनका बहुत contribution है, इनका बड़ा लीडरशिप का रोल है कि इसको आगे ये कैसे लेकर चले। बट नाउ यू आर अ यूनिफाइड रेगुलेटर फॉर द कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर, कैपिटल मार्केट, NBFIs एंड द इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर। मैं बात कर चुका हूँ कैपिटल मार्केट डेवलपमेंट की कि इतनी इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है कि अगर हमने मॉडर्निटी लानी है, एफिशिएंसी लानी है, ट्रांसपेरेंसी लानी है, तो इट इज़ गोइंग टू कम थ्रू द कैपिटल मार्केट्स एज वी गो फॉरवर्ड। आपका दूसरा जो क्रिटिकल फंक्शन है is being the guardian of public interest and ensuring that markets remain fair, transparent and accountable. और ये बहुत ही एक I would say delicate balancing act है कि how far do you go? You have to do what you need to do to ensure कि इसमें जो fairness और transparency हो, but उस level तक भी ना जाए कि जो industry है वो stifle हो जाए। So I think it's a very delicate balancing act that all of you, along with your commissioners, need to do as a primary regulator. और इसमें जो आपका regulatory framework है, उसमें investor education है, developing new financial projects है, leveraging technology है, और देखिए मैं हमेशा बात करता हूँ किसी भी transformation में it's people, process, technology. So हम technology की बहुत बात करते हैं, and at times we think that is the actual nirvana कि हम हर चीज़ को automate कर दें. But if you have broken processes, and if you automate those broken processes, then the whole thing is not going to move forward. तो उस लिहाज से मैं I just want to again acknowledge you and your team कि आपने इतने छोटे और short span of time में आपने जो सारी काविशें की हैं और बड़े important आपने steps लिए हैं to align local markets with international standards. उसमें जो सबसे बड़ी चीज़ है कि आपने जो reducing IPO timelines है. I think that's a fantastic thing because the number of companies which have to now come to the equity capital markets, I think it's absolutely critical. अगर हमने इस मुल्क को आगे लेकर जाना है तो ये जो everything that we are doing on the ECM side is going to be very important. और ये corporate filings at the top of the house, but also in the GEM space as well, is absolutely critical as we go forward. मैं जो आपका strategic plan आपने बनाया है insurance sector का, उसके मुताबिक already बात कर चुका हूँ. Digital transformation, please keep on doing it and keep on going forward. जितनी हम human intervention कम कर सकें, that's about ease of doing business. तो वो आप उस पे ज़रूर उस पे करते जाइए. जो आपका professional clearing member regime and launch of centralized gateway portal for onboarding of investors in capital markets is fantastic. ESG initiatives, I think ये आज से हम इस वक्त बात करते हैं कि हमें $1 billion चाहिए या $500 million चाहिए, $500 million चाहिए. इस मुल्क में अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह इस किस्म की इस्तिताअत है कि the moment sentiment changes, it's only 3 years back that WAPDA did the inaugural green bond. और अगर आपको याद हो तो उस वक्त $500 million की issuance हुई थी. The book size was actually $3 billion and WAPDA did not decide to exercise the green. तो इस किस्म की appetite है इस मुल्क पे इंशाल्लाह as we go back with our ratings and so वो funding की कभी भी हमारे पास कमी नहीं रही है as the certainty of macroeconomic stability comes back. और उसके अलावा जो आप innovation को encourage कर रहे हैं through regulatory sandbox, I would suggest that you continue to do that. आपने already legislative reforms पे Deputy Prime Minister की मदद मांगी है और with respect to SECP Act, मुदारबा Ordinance, Securities and Futures Market Act, Insurance Ordinance, तो इसमें Ministry of Finance से भी हम जो आपको support कर सके वो इंशाल्लाह हम ज़रूर आपको support करेंगे. और देखिए ये brick and mortar is important because the infrastructure and the environment in which we work, I am a strong believer that is a very, very strong enabler to create the right environment. So once again, जी आकिब साहब, I'm grateful to you कि आपने मुझे आज मदऊ किया और मैं आपको पूरा यकीन दिलाता हूँ कि from Ministry of Finance we will continue to provide necessary resources, infrastructure, because by doing that we are investing in the future for our economy and inshallah therefore the prosperity of Pakistan. बहुत शुक्रिया जी. Thank you.